Hey guys, I'm Naya, the founder of A Better Mess, and I'm going to walk you through our free digital planner. Once you download the template, you'll be directed to the daily dashboard. Here, you'll have the ability to view all of the available templates, and you can completely customize this view and use the templates that apply to you in your lifestyle. Below, you can add any daily affirmations, check-ins, quick routines, or if none apply, you can delete these options by hovering to the left and clicking delete. You can also rename or duplicate line items here. You can do the same above with the templates or any other feature or line item throughout the template that doesn't apply to you. To restructure the order of the templates, just open the sidebar and drag and drop. Okay, let's get right into planning. From your daily dashboard, click on the template titled Planner and Routine. Here's how you navigate back to the dashboard view from any template view. Below, in the navigation section, select Daily Planner, and here you can add a task along with the date, a reminder if you need one, the type of task, priority, notes, a cute little icon, and the ability to complete a task by selecting the Done button. Once you assign a priority, it'll appear under the priority board on the right-hand side. The item will also appear on the monthly calendar below. You can also change this to a weekly view. If a daily planner isn't your thing, or if it is and you just need options, don't worry, we have options. We also added a weekly, monthly, and annual planner. To plan your week, click on New and add the week you're planning for, the start date, the end date, and a reminder if needed. There's guided prompts to help structure your week. You can easily define your goals, priorities, and daily to-do lists. Below, you'll find any individual task you added on the daily planner view, along with upcoming tasks. Once complete, your weekly view will appear here. Next is the monthly view. Select Monthly Planner and add a date. We have our prompts below, and all individual tasks you've added will appear here as well. You can easily click on a task and make any changes, add a new icon, change a date, set a reminder, etc. Below, we have our calendar, plus a monthly review with guided questions to help you reflect. Our last planning template is our yearly or annual planner. Again, you'll see all of your tasks for the year below. Just add a new year, select a date, and follow the guided prompts to reflect on your previous year. You can complete a yearly review, plan your upcoming year, and plan your year month by month. Going back to the planner and routine dashboard, you'll find a list of routines below. I personally recommend a daily routine, low energy routine, weekend routine, and monthly routine. But if you have any other personal routines, you can add them here. For each template, you'll have your daily schedule, and you can add a color to each row by navigating to the 3 dots and selecting the color. To the right, you'll find a skincare and supplement list. Here, you'll simply add the name of the product and the time of day you use that product in the order. Lastly, there's a gratitude journal section. Create a new journal entry, add a date, define the journal entry type, and here you can complete the guided prompts below or type freely under today's entry. Next up is the habit tracker, which gives you a clean visual of your progress. This one is definitely one of my favorite templates. Below, you can add some photos or quotes for motivation. You can easily replace or delete any photos or quotes shown here or delete the entire section. Above, in the weekday column, you can add the day of the week, select the date, and add a reminder if needed. As you check off your habits, you'll see the progress increase to the right. If you want to assess how frequently you complete a specific habit, you can see that at the bottom by selecting the habit, calculate %, then % checked. To add a new day, select New Page, define the day, add an icon, add the date, and all of your habits will populate accordingly. You have a few views here: today, this week, this month, and this year. To delete a row, hover over the left of the line item and click Delete. To add a new habit, select an existing habit and click Duplicate and rename the habit and add a new icon. To delete a habit, click and scroll to delete. For new habits, be sure to update the formula by selecting Progress, Edit Property, Edit Formula, and after the division bar, remove the 10 and replace it with the total number of habits you have. Also, confirm that your new habits appear under the Below Property section and are reflected in the equation above. This will allow the progress formula to update accurately. Next is this amazing budget tracker, another one of my favorites. Under the Overview section, add a budget category, maybe rent, car, groceries, etc. For this example, we're going to add a savings category and add a monthly budget of $500 and a cute little icon. Once you add all of your categories, you'll add your expenses below. Add the expense name, the amount spent, assign the category, the date, and add any notes or receipts. Once added, you can view the amount remaining for each budget category in the Overview or Category sections. Let's review our goal tracker and vision board template. Here, you can see a list of life areas and customize them accordingly. Under Current Goals, you have the ability to view all of your goals along with monthly and quarterly views. Let's add a new goal to pay off some credit card debt. We're going to add a cute little icon, add the year, the quarter, a deadline, and set a reminder, and then we're going to link a life area and add the status. Now, let's break down our goal into tasks. Below, add each task with the due date, a reminder, and the status. When you update the status to completed or click the check mark, the progress bar will update based on the completed tasks. After you've added your goal, it'll appear under the Life Area section, under the Current Goals column, and in the Current Goals section by quarter and by month. If you scroll down to the task section, you'll see the goal listed with the task breakdown below. Under the goal planning section, you can brainstorm and add your short-term and long-term goals. And lastly, you can add your vision board here. Next up is the content planner. To the right, you can view and add social media platforms and insert your personal URL. Here, you can add your posting schedule and select the formats, a story, reel, carousel, etc. You can also add more format options or change the colors by selecting the data field. Under the content planning section, you can view content for this month, next month, by status, by pillar, and in a calendar view. To start planning, select New and add a title, a cute little icon, the schedule date, a reminder, and the status. The status field currently shows the different content statuses that I personally use for my process, but again, please customize this so that it works for you and your process. We're also going to add the platforms, formats, pillars, and inspo for this piece of content and attach any visuals if needed. Below, we've included guided prompts to help brainstorm and organize your thoughts. You can add a brief overview, the hook, scenes, editing requirements, a script, trending audios by platform, tasks, captions, and hashtags. Once you're done, you'll be able to view this item by month, status, pillar, and on the scheduled date using the calendar view. Below, we have the content bank and ideas section where you can brain dump any ideas, and once you're ready to plan the idea, you can drag and drop it to the content planning section. We've also added a content inspiration section where you can link content inspo by pillar. Let's get into our student planner. You can add all of your courses for the semester along with the year, status, and attach the syllabus. There's also sections to add a course description, goals, and resources and materials. You can add course notes here in the notes section along with the date, note type, and any files. Once you get your syllabus, I recommend adding all your assignments, the due date, setting a reminder for each assignment, and adding the status. You can also easily link notes to assignments for easy reference. Under the assignment section, you can view assignments by status, not started, in progress, or done. Next is the exam section. Add all of your exams for the semester along with the due date, reminders, and the status. Lastly, you can use this grade calculator to track your performance in each course. Simply enter your grade under raw score, input 100 under total score, and add the assignment's weight. Once entered, your overall percentage will update automatically. Once complete, navigate back to the course manager to see your progress throughout the course. Below, you can enter your class schedule along with the day and time each class meets. In the Notes tab, you can take class notes or create flashcards for studying. To make flashcards, select New and choose Flashcards as the note type. We're going to expand this view and enter the term as the title and the definition in the answer field. When studying, quiz yourself by saying the answer, then check it by clicking the show box. If you get it right, drag the card to Learned. If not, move it to Learn or Needs Review. Back in the student planner, you'll see all of your assignments and exams displayed in the calendar view, with the option to switch between a weekly or monthly layout. I want to introduce another one of my favorite templates, our workout tracker. In the workout gallery, you can view or add all of your workouts. Within each workout, you can add additional details including muscle groups, the workout type, the actual exercises, sets, reps, rest time, starting and current weight, links to demo videos, etc. You can also link workout videos, articles, and YouTube channels. If you select the workout planner, you can plan your workouts day by day and view everything in a weekly or monthly view. You can define the weekday, date, link the workout, and mark it as complete afterwards. Lastly, you can store all of your body progress pictures and keep track of your measurements using the body progress template. Just define the week, add the start and end date, your photos, and your measurements. And if you have any inspiration or body goals, you can add that below. For the meal planner template, let's start in the recipe section. Here, you can add the recipe name, link, ingredients, instructions, images, calories and macros, and tags for easy filtering. Once added, scroll up to the meal planner section, add a new plan, the date, and select the recipe. You'll be able to view your upcoming meals for today, this week, and in a calendar view. The Meal and Groceries template can be used to brainstorm and keep a running grocery list week over week. In the book tracker, you can add what you're currently reading and keep track of books read for the year. You can add or view your book list below, categorize each book, add an image, and the status. Once complete, you can view all books and books by the defined status. Next is our travel planner. To the left, we have a vision board and a travel bucket list below. You can view or add any upcoming travel plans, the date range, reason, and the full itinerary below. Things to do, places to visit, restaurants, etc. Below, you can list all your trip expenses, the cost, status, due date, set a reminder along with your packing list. The final template is our notes template, which comes in pretty handy for me. Here, you can create a notebook for a topic. Let's use real estate as an example. We're able to create a note and tie the notebook to the note. Below, create a topic, and then you'll be able to add a topic to the note as well. Scroll back up to the notebooks and you'll see the associated note and topic. You can also use this template to create flashcards and view notes by note type. That wraps up our digital planner walkthrough. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or email us at hi@abettermess.co. Don't forget to follow us on social media at @abettermess_. We'll be sharing productivity tips, taking personal requests to help solve your productivity challenges, and hosting monthly giveaways. Happy planning!